everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on hospital. Hospitals are institutions dedicated to healthcare and medical treatment. They provide a range of services from emergency care to surgeries. Trained healthcare professionals, including doctors and nurses, work in hospitals. Hospitals have specialized departments like cardiology, pediatrics, and more. Medical tests and diagnostic procedures are conducted in hospital laboratories. Inpatient services allow patients to stay for extended care and treatment. Hospitals play a crucial role in public health, preventing and treating diseases. They often have emergency rooms for urgent medical situations. Rehabilitation services help patients recover from surgeries or injuries. Hospitals contribute significantly to community well-being and disease prevention. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.